More postcards. Yay! Hey guys, Ken here. Welcome back to the channel. Well, yes, it's that time again. Time for another unboxing. Got these in the mail the other day. I don't think this is a very large lot. I think it's kind of small. I've ordered 2 or 3 lots, so I'm not sure which one this is, but we're going to unbox it. Got my little trusty X-Acto blade here. And slice down the side. There we go. And it looks like they put this inside a small flat rate box. And we'll open this up. Where's the flap? Okay. Okay, here we go. And we got some bubble wrap in here, looks like. Trying to be as gentle as I can with this. There we go. Okay, there's that. You got some bubble wrap here. It's wrapped up in some bubble wrap. Yeah, this is kind of a small lot. Like I got a little thank you note here. It says, hello, thank you very much. Very much appreciated. Enjoy. And then he has his name. Okay, that was nice. Always a nice touch. Okay, here's the cards. Open this up. Okay, get rid of that. Gonna have to do some more slicing. Gotta be very careful though, because this is right up against the cards. And we don't want to cut into the cards. That's for sure. There we go. There we go. Yeah, this is a very small lot, as you can tell. I think there's about maybe, I don't know, 15 cards here. But let's go through them together. It's the first time I've seen them. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I think these are all older cards. Yeah, these are all ships. I ordered ships. And a lot of these are out of the 1900s. So here's one. Out of Detroit, Michigan. Okay, right there. Postmarked 1911. Okay, here's a steamer ship out of New York. And this one's, this is out of 1913. Even got a handwritten stamp on it. Here's another one out of 1911. That one might be a real photo postcard, I'm not sure. And here's another one out of Michigan, another 1911. This looks like a warship. I think that's what these were. I think some of them were warships. This one is, I can't tell the date. Looks like 1910 maybe. There's the back of that. And here's another one, like 1911. I'm getting cards of ships out of the early 1900s. Okay, here's this one. Not sure the date on this. But here it is. And there's the back of that one. This one looks like a reprint. I think it's a foreign card because the back says Postcard, Carte, think that's how you pronounce it. Postal. So that's probably a foreign card. Another foreign card. Looks like this is a reprint, definitely. You can always tell reprints because the backs are like in pristine condition. This one might be either a reprint or no, this is, I think, an original. Might be a RPPC. Here's another one out of New York. Cool. Looks like another steamer ship out of Buffalo. There we go. Here's another, looks like a warship out of New Jersey. Back of that one. This one is a portrait ship at night. Another steamer. And the last one here is out of Canada. There you go. All right. Pretty cool. A lot of good ships in there. A couple of warships, steamers. You know, as I've mentioned before in other videos, anytime you get a hold of cards that have anything to do with transportation, whether it be ships, just regular boats, steamer ships, warships, you know, trains, airplanes, anything that has to do with transportation, you know, along those lines are going to be good sellers. People go after those. Okay, so I guess that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that, and as always, if you got anything out of this video, and I hope you did, make sure you smash that like button. It helps the channel, right? I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, you can do that too. Just takes a couple of seconds, don't cost you anything. Okay, I'm gonna go, but you guys have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care, and bye for now.